guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're going to learn how to download CapCut on your PC. So there is a PC version of the CapCut video editor, and let me tell you, this is one of the best softwares that I've used for video editing, and I use this on a daily basis to edit my own videos that I upload on this channel or my other channel. So if you want to really learn how to use this software, how to download this software on your computer, there's a very simple and easy process, and it's not going to take a very long time. This is going to be a very short video. Let me take you to my computer screen real quick. So we are on my computer screen now. Open up any new browser and open google.com. Search for CapCut and just type enter. The first website that you're going to see, in fact the second result here on my screen, that is www.capcut.com. CapCut all-in-one video editing software. As soon as you open this website, you're going to get a couple of different options. So CapCut in your browser, so you can use CapCut on your browser so you can edit videos online. I have a video on my channel where I showed you guys how to do that exactly. So if you want to learn that, you can go back on my channel and watch that video. The one that we're going to use in this particular video is going to be this, download for Windows. So it's a very simple click, and as soon as you click, it starts downloading. You guys can see the software is 372 megabytes. That's it. It's downloading already. It's going to take like roughly 50 more seconds, and I'll have the software downloaded on my computer. I don't need to download because I already have it downloaded and installed on my computer. So let me go ahead and open it up to show you guys how it works. So this is how the software looks like. Now, again, I have a video on my channel where I showed you guys how to use this software on your PC to edit your videos and all these different options that you see on the screen. I already showed you guys in that video how to use these options to make your videos look more professional and to edit your videos. Now, previously I used to have Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. I used those softwares to edit my videos in the past. One, it was taking too much time, and I think I personally find it more easier. So if you're someone who's just beginning their journey on YouTube and you're not a video editor, you don't have that much experience in video editing, I think this software can really help you. Again, watch that video that I posted earlier on my channel that'll teach you how to use this software to edit your videos. That's how you download and install CapCut PC on your PC. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.